In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a unique header to the first page of your Google Docs document. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Docs account and open the document you wish to edit. If you're not familiar with Google Docs, don't worry. It's an easy-to-use online word processing platform, part of Google's suite of productivity tools. Once you have your document open, focus your attention on the top menu bar. You'll see a collection of options designed to enhance your document. Look for the Insert menu. Clicking on Insert will bring up a drop-down menu that offers various elements you can add to your document, from images to charts, and more importantly for this task, headers and footers. Next, hover over the option labeled Headers and Footers. What we're interested in here is creating a header, so go ahead and select Header from this menu. This action will unlock a header area at the top of your first page, providing you with a blank space to customize according to your needs. Once you see this header area, click into it to activate it. You'll notice this header section is separate from the main body of your document, which means anything you type here will not interfere with your page's primary content. Now at this point, you might be wondering how to ensure that this header appears only on the first page, keeping the rest of the document pages uncluttered with header information. Google Docs has a handy feature specifically for this, called Different First Page. When in the header area, you should see an option appear labeled Different First Page. By checking this box, you're telling Google Docs to treat the first page header differently from the rest of your document. This is particularly useful when you want individual page numbers or, for example, a specific title or image to appear solely on the first page. So, go ahead and check the Different First Page box. With that option selected, type in the desired content for your first page's header. This could be your document title, a logo, or any other information pertinent only to the initial page. Remember that this content will remain exclusive to the first page, while the subsequent pages maintain a blank header. And that's it. You've now successfully created a distinct header for just the first page of your document, while keeping the other pages free from distraction. This feature can elevate the professionalism of your document, especially in formal reports, proposals, or assignments. It's good to know that you have this level of customization at your fingertips, empowering you to create documents that better suit your needs. If you have other sections or elements to explore, feel free to dive deeper into Google Docs and uncover more ways to optimize your document's presentation. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. Stay tuned for more tips in future videos.